These are my top 25 of folding knives. Top 25 for everyday use, everyday EDC, medium use, hard use, you name it. Before I did some top 10 videos and there were a few comments and emails. Why was not this model included? Why was the other model at place number 6? Why was one model at number 3? So let me just make it clear. When we talk about the top 10 or why we think some knives are better than others, these are all based on personal tastes, personal bias. So these top 25, according to me, I think these are the best top 25 knives, period. Mostly they're all production. So let's start with the first one. This is a Strider AR75, Mick Strider, Greg Medford collaboration, as if Strider SNG and Medford Proxima had a baby. This is an awesome EDC tool. Next one, we've got a bit forgotten brand, Lone Wolf Knives T3. Lone Wolf Knives. The brand was bought and killed by Benchmade in early 2011. Designed by Bill Ersey, S30V. Awesome tactical hard use knife. We've got Todd Beg Bodega by Steelcraft. This is another awesome knife that was designed, every detail you check, it was designed for it to be carried, to be used and abused. And we've got a great S35VN steel on it. One of my most beloved knives, Koenig Arius. It's a superb flipper with M390 blade steel, my most favorite blade steel. I respect it a lot and love M390, LMAX, CPM 20CV, to name few. Why? They have the best of all worlds. Very good characteristics in terms of maintaining the edge, sharp edge for a long time, ease of sharpening, etc. ZT0562 Hinderer design with CPM 20 CV blade steel. This is another awesome knife that is very dear to my heart. Made in USA. Love it, love it, love it. Hinderer full track. Another of my favorite of pocket tanks. It's a big knife but feels awesome, feels great in hand. Wonderful ergos, the hold, the way it feels in hand, and it screams A+ made in USA knife, and that's exactly what it is. And check this out, we've got a tool in case you want to take it apart and switch from bearings to washers. Not a problem. You, the knife owner and carrier, you decide everything. One of the discontinued ZT models and my favorite ZT model, ZT0560, Hinderer design. We've got here LMAX blade. It's a superb knife. It's an A+ knife. I wish they would continue making this. It's an awesome knife by Zero Tolerance, and check this out. It's an A+ knife. From Russia with love, we have a CKF Custom Knife Factory Snafu 2.0 designed by Peter Rosenti. Well, this knife was not made in Russia. This knife was assembled in Russia, mostly with Chinese parts, high quality parts by the way, and the European M390 blade. It is very well made knife. It's very well assembled, and I'm very happy about it. Strider SMF, or if you prefer the shorter 3.5 blade, SNG series. We're not talking here about Mick Strider and his controversy of lying about his military service, etc., which is pretty shitty and dick thing to do, especially if you sell knives and guns. That's the community you don't want to offend, but hey, people do stupid things. I'm not here to judge. I'm just judging Mick Strider's SMF knife. It's a great knife, especially with this configuration and blade steel CPM 20 CV. It's an A+ knife. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, the double choil lost real estate right here, but overall it's a great knife for EDC. We have another Rick Hinderer's creation, XM18, or if you like, the 4-inch brother of the 3.5-inch XM18. XM24 is the bigger one. This one's also got my favorite and most beloved M390 blade steel. Little upgrade with brass bearing, brass and some copper parts. I like this look. It's a great knife, wonderful ergos, and yeah, all around A+, made in USA. Of course, Microtech SoCom Elite. These guys also got M390 bronze wash blade. It's an awesome tool at hand. It feels very well, opens very easily, and it's just a gorgeous, great, another great tool made in USA. And check this Tony Morfione's creation. This is the Combat Tradoon with Elmax blade. Unfortunately, I can't close it with one hand, but hey, it's an amazing dual action, hard use auto. We will continue discussing the remaining of the knives in the part 2 video.